Well, friends, let us start with our exercise 2.5, question number 10. Question 10 is factorize. You have to factorize this number 27y cube plus 125z cube. So that we can write as 27 means 3y whole cube plus 5z whole cube. So it is 3y plus 5y into 3y square minus 3y into 5z plus 5z whole square. I have shown you the identity over here, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So this is a plus b into a square into then a into b plus b whole square. So first square bracket remain as it is. 3y whole square means it is 9y square minus 3 5 are 15yz plus 5 square is 25z square. See the identity. Okay. Well, Sneha has particularly asked me whether I can do this sum with this method or not. Actually, whenever it is told to you, okay, solve the sums by using proper identity, so you have to use the identity and solve the numbers. Okay. Well, second question is 64m cube minus 343m cube. So it is a minus a cube minus b cube. The identity I have written a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So first term and second term 4m minus 7n. Okay. 64 is a cube root of 64 is 4 and cube root of 343 is 7. So it is 4m minus 7n. First term square, that is 4m square plus first term into second term plus second term square. So 4m minus 7n. 4 square is 16m square. 4 7s is 28mn plus 7 square is 49n square. Well, again factorize 7x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Again the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. The question is in this form. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3 into a, b and c. So the expansion or the identity will be a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus first term into second term minus second term into third term minus third term into first term. So you are going to use this identity over here. So let us see the answer. 27 cube is 3x whole cube, y cube is y cube, z cube is z cube. 3 into the first term is 3x, second term is y and third term is z. So 3 into first term, second term and third term. Okay, so this I have factorized. Now further I have to factorize in this form a plus b plus c. So it is 3x plus y plus z into first term square into second term square. Okay, first term into second term. Okay, well, that is first term square plus second term square plus third term square. That is 3x square plus y square plus z square. A square, b square, c square. First term square, second term square, third term square. Minus first term into second term. That is 3x into y. Minus second term into third term. And minus third term into first term. So 3x plus y plus z as it is. 3x whole square. Whole square I have just forgotten to give the bracket over here. So it is 3x whole square, so 9x square, y square plus z square. Minus 3 into xy, so minus 3xy. Minus y into z, so minus yz. Minus z into 3x, so it is 3zx. That is the final answer. Now you have to verify whether x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 1 upon 2 into x plus y plus z plus y minus z whole square plus 2 minus x whole square. So here we are going to take the right hand side. Okay, so the right hand side is, okay, well, so the right hand side was 1 upon 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square minus y into z whole square plus minus z into x whole square. Okay, well, here again I have forgotten one number to write, that is x minus y whole square. Okay, well, so I have written 1/2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus, as I forgot this number, I written it over here, x minus y whole square. So 1/2 into x plus y plus z. So x minus whole square, you are going to use the identity a minus b whole square. That is first term square into 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. X minus y whole square. I have normally factorized this number or expanded this number. That is first term square minus 2 into xy, that is first term into second term plus second term square. Here also I have to expand this number y minus z whole square. So it is y square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. And third also same thing, z minus x whole square. So first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. This is identity I have used, is a minus b and a plus b whole square. So 1/2 x plus y plus z. So the answer which I have got was 2x square plus x square. Here it is. So it is 2x square. Y square plus y square. It is 2y square. And z square plus z square. Okay. So it is 2z square. Okay. Well. So 2z square. Okay. Z square plus z square. Where it is y square z. Z square plus z square. These two. So it is 2z square. Same number I have written 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Now you can see that 2 is everywhere. So I am taking 2 as common. So the number left in bracket will be x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. I am explaining you again. I have factorized this number a minus y whole square. I expanded the number. I have written the expansion of x minus y, that is a minus y whole square. Same way I have written the expansion of this number. Then I have added this x square plus x square is 2x square, y square plus y square is 2y square, z square plus z square is 2z square. And the number which I add minus 2xy minus yz and minus 2z. 2 I have taken as common. So it is 1/2 into x plus y plus z into 2 common x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So 2 get cancelled. So the answer left is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now be careful. Now what I am going to do? I am going to take this first term or first number of the first bracket and going to multiply by second bracket. Same way, second, that is y multiply by second bracket and z multiply by second bracket. That I have done. X into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. That is nothing but it is the second bracket. Okay. Same way, y into second bracket and z into second bracket. After multiplying it, x into x square is x cube, x into y square is xy square, x into z square is xz square, x into minus xy is minus x square y, x into minus yz, that is minus xyz, x into minus zx, that is zx square. Same way, y into x square is x square y, y into y square is y cube, y into z square is yz square, y into minus xy is minus xy square, y into yz is minus y square z, and minus x z x y z. Okay. Same way I have multiplied the third bracket also. Okay. Well, which I have done it over here. Okay. Well, and I have got the answer. So what happens? All the number x square plus xy square minus xy square you will get somewhere xy square. Okay, where it is, see, it is xy square, so it get cancelled. So xz square, again you are going to get minus xz square, that is going to get cancelled. So the number left will be x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus xyz, minus xyz, and minus xyz. So it is 1xyz, 1xyz, 1xy, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So all you are going to add, that is 3xyz minus 3xyz. So the answer will be x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That is nothing but our left hand side. Okay, that is our left hand side. Okay, well, now if x plus y plus z is 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So here they are given x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy. I have taken this left hand side, right hand side I have shifted to the left hand side. So is equal to 0. Okay. So using the identity, I have splitted the number x plus y plus z into x square plus y square minus, plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Okay. Well, so if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, so x plus y is equal to 0, 0 multiplied by this number is 0. Okay. Well, so x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0. Shifting this minus on the right hand side, I am getting, okay, what I have to prove it, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay. Well, without actual calculation, okay, calculation, the find the cubes of the following: minus 12x cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Taking a is equal to minus 12, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to 5. So a plus b plus c, I am going to add minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So that I have written it, okay, is equal to 3 into, given 3 into first term, second term, third term. So 3 into 12 minus 12, 7 and 5. So 12 3 is 36, 7 5 is 35. Multiplying 36 by 35, it is 1260. Okay. Well, same way second sum. 28 cube plus minus 15 cube minus 13 cube. So I have taken a is equal to 28, b is equal to minus 15, and c is equal to minus 13. We get a plus b plus c is equal to 0. 28 plus 15 plus 13. So 28 minus 28, okay, is 0. 28 minus 28 is 0. So a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. That is our identity. So this is 0. So 3 into first term, that is 28. Second term is minus 15, and third term is minus 13. So multiplying all the number, I am going to get 16380. If you are having any doubt, please ring me. Thank you.